Hi, welcome to my stay at the Safari Inn. I also got some new glasses. Hi everyone. Here we are at the Safari Inn. This is an accessible king room. This is the accessible bathroom. This is the wall of all the movies and TV shows that have been filmed here. I have definitely seen some of these TV shows and movies, but I have to check some more of these out. Comment down below if you have seen any of these movies or TV shows. This is the cozy lobby.
Once it's done.
Here I am enjoying the views of the mountains and the palm trees from the patio. Look at those beautiful mountains. Look at the pool below. I enjoyed my stay at the Safari Inn. The room was really clean, the staff was friendly, and everything I went to was around 5 to 15 minutes away via car. If you take public transportation to places, it's going to take longer. So that's my stay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new video uploads.